Hey everybody, this is Josh from PracPlay. I want to talk briefly with you about how our Glean product provides you a unique advantage of being easy, fast, and free, and how this gives you greater profits than you'll find in other solutions on the market. So when you're developing a new idea, the first thing you need to do is build it. Almost every solution on the market requires you to have a programmer, learn programming, or pay for that resource. Our solution is different because we provide you with a visual environment that is very much simplified versus regular programming, but still has the same power. And we also don't charge you for the process of using it. So you can build strategies in minutes or hours versus what would take an experienced programmer days or even weeks to build. And because you're not paying for that time, you'll get a better ROI, and you'll also be able to evaluate more ideas quickly and remove bad ideas or remove the less profitable ideas and get to the result you want to get to much faster. Versus in a traditional environment, you're wasting a lot more time writing code, and it's not always certain when you're going to get a good result out. It's always going to take longer. Our Glean solution is built on the most popular open source trading platform, tradelink.org. This gives you the ability to own everything. The platform that we're running on is open source, so you'll have the code for that. Any strategy that you build in Glean is totally free to build, test, and trade with real money, up to $10,000. Beyond that, you can pay a one-time fee to unlock and get the source code for that strategy, so you'll have 100% of the code for your trading platform and system, while only having paid for a small fraction of it and only the portion of it that is profitable. Or you can opt to pay a monthly fee to lease your strategy from us and just run on top of TradeLink. That way, with the future option to unlock that strategy and be able to modify the source code, customize it, or have that full transparency if you need it later on, such as like if you start a hedge fund. Most other platforms are not built around open source. They're typically proprietary and lock you into trading on their solution forever. And if you want to move and use a different solution, you basically have to rebuild everything from scratch or rebuy everything from scratch. Okay, so we sort of talked a little bit about the easy and the fast part. Now we're getting to the free part. With open source, you get sort of free benefits that you don't get in closed systems. People have a greater incentive to contribute and look at the code, to add things, and to fix bugs. That those provide like long-term benefits that are not present in the same way in closed systems. It should be noted that our users are presently spending more than 16,000 hours a month doing strategy design with Glean, as this product has been around since 2012. So the end result, comparing our platform are powered by Glean versus other closed systems, is you'll be able to develop more strategies in the same amount of time, have a better sense that they're going to make money before you spend any money, which is going to improve your ROI. And then you're always going to have the open system where you can fix any bug as fast as you want, add any feature that you need, that you absolutely have to have, and just have a greater comfort of how your system is working, not just today but at any point in time in the future. So all you have to do to get started and start realizing this is to go to pracplay.com, click on the Glean button, and then click download and follow the video instructions.